Meet the new Mua.
Let's go. How's the Josh?
Today, my husband is going to do a full face makeup on me. He knows nothing. No, right? Yeah. I don't know why am I doing this, but yeah, let's get started. First, tell me, have you like watched some tutorials or something like that?
I know
Or-
Minimalist.
Really?
Okay.
It got acquired by Hindustan Unilever.
Got it. Nice. Maybe this is a makeup tutorial video, not
Of course.
a knowledge-based video.
Right.
Yeah. So what will you do first? Like, do you know what to like do?
No.
No, straight away you cannot say no.
I
there's nothing in it. I'm not a makeup girly, so I have very less products. So yeah, it's easy for you.
will start by applying moisturizer.
Apply.
What is moisturizer here?
Read.
This is sunscreen.
Yeah, it is both.
Okay.
How will you apply?
Right.
Have they given us expired product? What are you doing? Not on my hair. What is this? I don't know. You
You'll
apply
fix it
everything.
later.
Apply everything. Don't waste. Now what will you do?
Apply lipstick.
No, how will I apply lipstick straight away?
Mascara.
There are few. No. There are few steps.
Compact.
No, yeah, you're close, but
Foundation.
a wand or something. So I'll give you a sponge. What are you doing?
Khul nahi raha.
Shut up. Yeah. The man who picks the 40 kgs can't open this. You cannot do this. Not like this. Or else you'll just transfer the germs.
Okay, right. Makes sense.
You have to apply everything. Yeah. Tell me, when did you first learn that women do makeup?
I was in junior KG.
Wow, junior KG. How did you got to know?
M for makeup. I think I messed up.
I can feel that.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is what I can think of right now.
I don't know. My God, I need a mirror to see. I don't want to be a Dracula. Now next, what will you do?
Compact.
Yeah, I have a mirror here. We both are dumb. That's why we married each other, guys. That's why. No, not with this.
Makes sense.
I think you're pretty good in this. Yeah, girls, you can take tips from Prithvi. Dun, 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 dun. I'm only doing my makeup. What are you doing? What is this challenge? You lost. Even like you're not even covering my neck.
I thought it's only.
No. So
until
what?
here.
How do you want me to look? Like white here and then
I didn't
untouched?
thought about it.
You do.
Huda Beauty.
What? Huda Beauty? What? We are not. Why are you taking this name? They're not paying us.
Eye shader.
Eyeshadow. It is eyeshadow. Not this brush. Yeah, not that. Yeah. So we have two brushes. This and this. This is to cover larger area. This is for the smaller area. But we are not doing like entire thing. And what is this golden? Yeah. Now you wasted this much product.
Anyways, don't use it.
But still, tap it on your hand so there's not excess product going in my eyes. Yeah. And now just cover it. Just fill it. Yeah, buzz. You're like, what is this style? Like, hold it properly. Don't poke.
Yeah.
Do you remember that? I don't remember that. Have you like gifted me any makeup product or something?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
You don't use makeup, so I don't
Yeah.
use makeup.
I am not sure. Like, have you like gifted me a lipstick once? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I guess during school time.
Yeah. Not during school, during college.
Right.
I thought, yeah, I think you gave me and then I lied to my mother that I bought it.
Or we can just.
No, you can't!
Okay, no.
Now set it up. What are you just sitting?
Mascara.
Yeah, I don't have a mascara. Have you ever seen me using mascara?
I don't know what mascara is. Eyeliner.
So how do you know mascara is a thing? If I am not, I've not used it.
Song mascara yara.
Mascara scares me. I don't know for what reason. It's just like right above your eyelid and I get scared. Yeah. This is a tricky part. Please don't poke this in my eyes.
Sure.
Please.
I'll try not to.
I'll try. You don't have to. Like, you cannot.
Sure.
Just don't mess up. What is this? How will I go like this? What is this? You've not even finished that line.
Right.
What is this? Is this how you do eyeliner? What have you done? You just messed up. This is not done. Okay, what will you do next? Why are you yawning? Ooh.
Lipstick.
Yeah, which one? So I have a lot of lipsticks. I love lipsticks.
Nude
So
skin
tell
one,
me.
which is not very loud.
Which one do you want me to use? This is a bright red or pink. Read. See. This is the one which you gifted me. Oh my god! I found the lipstick. I think it's expired by now because it is. Yeah, it was like 6 years ago.
Hmm.
You were in college, na? Yeah, it is expired. I don't have kept it because you gave me this lipstick. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Don't settle for less. He didn't had money back then. So yeah, it was a pretty good deal. You're not earning. You were in college and all that. Yeah. To go select a shade and like. What have you done?
Yeah. Fixed.
Do an outline. Okay. How Kylie Jenner has this big lips. We'll do that. What?
No,
I am sure you've
guys.
seen it.
But
Please.
the details, no clue.
Stop.
Let's go. Let's be gentle. So this also inside minus rating, but
What was it, John? I have to check. This is how I look after my husband did my makeup.
makeup without makeup is good.
Mm-hmm.
Makeup.
It was good, so I will rate you 6 on 10. Okay, 6 on 10. You guys let us know in comments how much will you rate his makeup. He did it for the first time, so that's why I gave 6. So yeah, let's see.
Part 2 Halloween theme.
That's it, I guess.
See you on the next one. Subscribe and follow for more.
Bye.